Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change your video background using EDITS app from Instagram. So guys, this is new application from Instagram. This application is powered by Instagram, and then you can download this application from Play Store or Apple Store if you are iOS user. And I have already installed this application on my phone. Okay, and then you need to log in to this application with your Instagram account, so the editing will be automatically connected to Instagram account. Okay, and I have already logged in with my Instagram account, and we can go to this menu to create new project. Click on this plus icon, and you can either record your video with your camera, or you can upload the video from your gallery. And for me, I'm going to use video and photo from my gallery. And if you want to change the background of your video, the first thing you're going to do is importing the background that you want to use. And I'm going to use this picture as the background of my video. Okay, we can import it. And the next one, you're going to overlay it with your own video. Wait, I'm going to go back to the previous album. Okay, for example guys, I'm going to change the video background of this video. I'm going to zoom in. Okay, and then we can use cutout feature. Select cutout, and you can select manually or automatically. Okay, and then I'm just going to drag object. Okay, and hold on guys, it's still loading. Okay, and it's done. Oops, wait guys, it's still processing and we need to wait. Okay, after it's done, there will be done option and you can tap on that. Okay, and wait, let me extend the image or the background. Okay, done. And as you can see that the background of my video has been changed. And to make it more captivating, you can add filter or effect, or it's up to you. You can add filter here, and there will be a lot of Instagram filters that you can use, but it's still loading. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye!